In this video, I am going to tell you how you can turn on Google reading mode in your Android phone. So first of all, you need to go to the Play Store in your phone and you need to search reading mode. Here, you need to open this application where Google LLC is written. So make sure to check. You need to install Authentic app by Google LLC. You just need to click on install and wait for a few seconds to complete the installation process. Once the installation process is complete, you need to turn on this application. So once the installation is complete, click on open and open this app, click on continue. You need to go to settings. There is an option of reading mode in accessibility. So let me go to accessibility. This is accessibility in settings. You need to click on installed app and now you need to click on reading mode and you need to turn on this option reading mode shortcut. So turn this option on and click on allow. So this option is now turned on. You need to hold volume up and down buttons to read the any content in your phone. So let me open any uh, page. So this is the page and this is an article. I want Google it to read it for me. I just need to hold volume up and down button for 3 seconds. So just press it for 3 seconds and it will open up this application, and herein you need to click on next and done, and now click on reading mode.
Essay on Women Empowerment for Students and Children. 500 plus words essay on women
So
empowerment.
so it is reading it for me. You can select the language as well if you get an option to select the language. So it is now working fine for me. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it. If you still face any problem, you can comment below and I will definitely give you reply. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.